Welcome to Hithaka Technologies. For more updates, please like and do subscribe.
Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope everyone is doing good. So today I'm going to show you guys how to deploy a bot in unattended mode. And when you deploy a bot in unattended mode, there will be auto login issue. This is the common issue, and I'm going to show you guys how to solve that particular issue. And thanks everyone for subscribing my channel and watching the videos. So I'm going forward. I'm going to make some good content videos, and let's focus on today's thing. So when you look at the screen, you can see, right, there is a two human icon. It clearly describes what is the difference between attended bot and unattended bot, right? So attended bots is nothing but it required human interactions between the execution of the bot, whereas unattended bot, it doesn't require any human interactions or interventions during its execution, and it's going to be run in the background of a mission, right? So today what I can do is I'm just going to quickly show you how to deploy a attended bot, as well as, and I will show you how to deploy an unattended bot. Let's move on. I'm just going to show you something before we proceed. So here is my control room, and here are some of the bots. I'm going to run those bots. So this is the bot. I just created a dummy task with the message box to show you guys how to deploy it in unattended or attended. So I'm just going to show what exactly inside this particular task. I'm just using my RDP mission as a bot runner. If you can go to my devices, you can see this is one of my RDP mission, and the license for that RDP mission is bot runner, and this is the username. I'm going to use this particular mission as bot runner, and I'm going to deploy the bot in unattended mode, and I'm execute the bot in unattended mode. Okay, let's log into RDP, and we'll show you quickly something. So I'm just logging into my RDP mission. So there I will show you. I just used three commands inside this particular task. So one is write log, start of the log, and end of the log, and there is a message box just for my log purpose, and to show you guys whether the bot has been executed during the unattended or not. I just created something like that, and I think, let me show you the log file also. So since I logged into a bot runner license, you cannot see the all edit options here, right? So this is the log file. Currently there is nothing here. So what I can do, I'm just going to run, this is the particular task I'm going to trigger, or run the bot from the control room. Let me run it here. So you can see the message box, which is auto close. If I can go back to my log file, you can see the same entry here. So bot is started and completed, just for for everyone's understand purpose, I just kept that. So I'm just going to tell you first what is the difference between attended and unattended bots, right? Let's say the bot is running on a bot runner, and the bot runner or the bot is required humans to add something or give some inputs during its execution. Then we can call it as a attended bot, which means when it's running, human interactions are required. I'm just going to show you something how it looks. So for example, I'm running this bot. See, it is asking for the human to enter the input, right? So if there are some such interactions between the bot and human, right? So that we can call it as a attended bots. Let us say 5 and 10. So let's say addition. Whereas unattended bot, it doesn't require any human intervention, and even it's not required to open the GUI or open the RDP mission like this. So the same task, if I want to run it from the orchestrator, control room, we can do it. Let me go to control room. I will just trigger that particular bot. Let's go here, go to my bots. So let's remove this. So calculator operations, right? Let me run. I'm just selecting this, go here and run. If I can go here, see, this is prompted. When I trigger from there, from the control room of another mission, right, it is triggered the user prompt inside the RDP mission which the bot is running. So this is how I can say the attended. Until unless you enter, it's not go ahead, right? So or else if there is a requirement to use people inputs to the bot, then we can call it as attended. I hope you guys understand what exactly the attended means, right? Let me go ahead and show you how to deploy a bot in unattended. Unattended means I don't want, you know, to open this RDP. So when I say attended, see, I just opened the RDP, right? So I don't want it to open the RDP, and I can just, deploy the mission, deploy the bot into this particular mission. Even if it is not open, it's going to be executed on the RDP session, right? Let me try doing one more time with the run task. Let me test. Okay, let me run this one also to make sure it's going to execute. Let's do this, run it. I'm just going here. See, this is executed, and this has happened. If I go to here, you can see there will be two more entries, right? So now what I can do is I'm just going to sign out from this mission, which means I'm just making this as completely closed so that I can deploy in unattended mode. Let's close this, sign out. So now everything is gone. I'm just going to deploy this on the same mission. Now the RDP is not yet opened, right? Let's see how it's going to run. So this is done. Let me go to in progress tasks. There is nothing, and let me go to audit. You can see just now 58. Just now it is done. Let's go to history and see what is its status. Is it successful or is it failed? You can see just now this is failed. Let's see the reason why it is failed. So the reason is AIE was unable to log into the mission. So that is expected. That's what I said even in the beginning. I'm going to show you how to solve the auto login issue as well, right? So this is expected. So let me re-log in back to my RDP and tell you what are the changes has to be happen. Let me log in. And I will show you what are the changes, necessary changes required to do this. Okay, so I just logged in. Let me go to client. So there are different ways of addressing this issue. A very first solution will be just to enable the auto login properties in client. The second option I will tell you, if the first option is not going to work, I'm going to show you how to resolve the second option also. Okay, let's go to tools. Here you can see the options, right? So when you go here, you can see something called auto login your computer when the task runs, schedule a task, right? I'm just making this both of them enabled. So what is going to happen when the mission is logged or the mission is not opened, right? It's going to be login automatically and session will be opened, right? So I just enable these properties. Let me dry run one time in attended and do it another time unattended. Okay, let me rerun it again. So now I am running in attended mode. Don't think about it say unattended. I'm just running it in attended. So I'm not sure whether it is completed. Let me refresh this. Yeah, it's completed, right? Let me go back to my RDP and check the logs whether it is completed or not. So here is my logs will be. I just saved it in my docs. you can properly, yeah, there are two more entries. Now what I can do, I'll just remove everything. I'm just making this entire file as blank so that if it runs from the unattended, we can see the entries here, right? So that's okay. Let's sign out from the device. Let's see this one solution one will be is going to work or not. If it's not going to work, I have another solution. Another action has to be performed. This is the trial and error method. Even you are also can try. First option has to be this. If that doesn't run, there is a second option, third option, fourth option. Like there are so many options. You can keep on try those. I'm just running this. Okay, so let me go to audit log to see whether it's 402. I think this is the one. Let me go here. Sorry. Go to in progress tasks. Are there anything? Nothing was there. Go here. See, you can see this is completed, right? This is completed. Let me log in back to my RDP to see whether that is successful or not. Okay, let me go back to my docs and see whether the log is entered or not. See, this is triggered and this is following the local bot account or bot mission timestamps, right? So before I executed in attended, I just cleared the log file. Now I can see there are entries, which means it is successfully executed, right? So this is how we can do the unattended bot deployment. So I hope you guys and I just forgot to mention what will be the other solution, right? So if this solution is not going to work, I'm just going to show you the other one. So let me show you the other solutions as well. So the next solution, what you can do is sometimes for the documents folder on the automation anywhere folder, there won't be full access. So for this, there won't be full access. What you can do is you can just go here, go to properties and enable these properties, and it's going to resolve the issue. And go to securities and add one, give all everyone, so that it is going to be addressed. Still this second option is not worked, then what you can do is you can just directly go here, sorry, go to C drive, directly go to C drive. Let's create one folder here, let's say RPA. RPA. So and then uh, just go to client. So when you go to client, right, so basically this solution is required when you are working in the organization and some kind of a Citrix missions. So when your bot runner mission is a Citrix, then you may need to follow these options. Okay, so here let's go to options, go to advanced settings. You can just change the file path to the one which we just now created, and you can go ahead. So let's go here. Let's go here and create, select this folder. I'm just changing this, and it's required to enter the credentials of the mission, else it won't takes the changes. Okay, so when I say apply, it is going to validate. Yes, see, it's going to validate, and it is copying the files from the default location to here. When I go to that particular folder now, you can see entire setup has been made. See all those, even the logs also has come here. Let me delete this and let me run it again. We'll see. Let me do it in unattended. I'm just signing out from here. Okay, let me do it one more time. Let's go to bots. I'm just checking whether the job is triggered or not. Okay, this is just now triggered. Let's go to activity. Let's see, is there something we can see? So since this is one activity, right? So that's what we are unable to see anything there. Mm, I can see something is completed. Maybe this is going to be failed. I'm not sure why this is taking a lot of time. Is this the one? I think this is not the one, I guess. Okay, let's go back. Let's see. Let's wait for a couple more minutes. I'm just trying to refresh. Nothing under there. So it's taking a lot of time. Maybe I just created on the C drive and even I haven't run at least one time. Maybe that is the reason. I'm just thinking either this run may fail or success because this is very first run. Uh, that may be the reason. But I hope when I run next time it's going to be executed, I guess. I don't know what's going. Sorry. Let's go here. Create. This is happen on 406. At least if it fails, we can run one more time. Okay, let me do one more time. Rerun it. Okay. If I can go to audit, I can see. Okay, 16.10.4. This is really strange. Let me refresh the page. No, I can't see anything here. I'm referring something wrong. No. Let me do one thing. Let me log into log into my RDP and quickly run one time there, and then we'll do. Let me go here once to check whether are there any entries in the log file. I can see there is one entry. Yeah, I can see just now this is successful. I think we can able to see something here, but I don't know why we are not able to see that here. Yeah, see here, this is successful, right? So this was failed. The reason maybe, as I mentioned, right, very first time it is running, but it is failed. Okay. Okay, so this is the way we can deploy the bot in unattended mode. If you wanted, if the issue is resolved in the very first option, what I showed in the tools and auto login option enablement, that is fine. If not, you can just so this is something kind of bypass legal disclaimer. So every organization might have this legal disclaimer. This is not recommended to check this box until unless you have proper IT approvals to enable this. Okay, so this is the way you can deploy the bot. Very first option is just enable the auto login settings. If that is not going to address your problem, you can just go ahead and just create RPA folder and do whatever the things you want. So I hope these two steps will be resolved your auto login issues all the times. I hope you like this video and it helps you to explore on how to deploy a bot in unattended mode, and as well as how to resolve auto login issues. The same fashion like whatever I did it in 11.x version, you can do the same fashion for 8.2019 also. If you like the video, please click on the bell icon and subscribe the channel so that whenever I upload a new videos, you will get the notification. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
I hope this video helps you. To get more updates, please like and subscribe the channel.
Please leave your comments and questions in the comments section. We'll get back to you.